Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, Mario Kart 5 Esports FPS. We're gonna do Battle Royale. You have to run around, find weapons. You start out with the pistol. The speed boost can increase your running speed for a set amount of time. We're not talking to our players and touch with us. Yeah, really, play Mario Kombat 5 Esports FPS. Definitely not sponsored, but Modern Combat 5, please sponsor. I don't even know well, I know what sponsor is, but I don't even know why would you need a sponsor? Oh, that is true. That's true. Never mind. Alright, so you start out with the pistol, but this isn't still the real game yet. This is just like the lobby kind of thing. See? Or else I would have been killed by now. You can shoot people while in there, but then no one would die. Or maybe they're shooting me, just that they don't know it. Yeah, he's shooting me. Alright. Oh no, I'm just shooting in the background. Okay, so you choose a spot, and then you try to choose the spot that has 0. And then once it reaches to 3, if your spot still remains at 0, click it. If it gets to 5, and there's no spots with 0, then try to get the one with the least amount of people. Oh, no, shouldn't have reset at all. Never mind the free kit. Perdóname, mi amor. Perdóname por ser tan guapa. Oh, run. Run. I'm good. This. And, oh, I don't know where I am. Yes. Armor. Would work perfectly fine. Okay, health kit, that's good. Kind of like a no, I don't know what to call it, PUBG or something. I'm gonna go after him. Because, I mean, what the freak? Who went in there? Aha! Got him. Ooh. Yes! 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 Alright! 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 I'm not gonna be a little ninny and not go after people, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Go after people. Oh. Oh, there's people from over here. Oh no. There's legit people coming from down here. Oh crap, I just gave away my spot, and that sucks because now they're gonna come looking for me. But that also gives me an advantage, because I can just go right in the boom faces. Easier than stealing candy from me. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. Oh, I was pressing the wrong button. Scope. C and this. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay, sorry I wasn't talking there for a little while. And if that happened, it was because then. Oh, that's me. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. I was just unstoppable. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry I'm not talking. I'm just like so into this. There's 7 people alive and I have 5 kills. Like, how is that like not something worth like I am gonna throw it to this out the window. Oh! I didn't even mean to. I was like trying to like swipe. Let's see what other grenades I have, but apparently that's not gonna work. Expect heavy artillery. Oh. Oh, it's a trap. I can sense it. Right now. I can sense it. I literally can. He shot so for me to know where he is. That ain't gonna work, because he's a freaking freaker. Oh, what? No! Freak! How did I... Well, at least I'm number 2. I was like the last one. Dude, I almost freaking won. Well, freak, out of 49. Imagine that. See, I'm not sucky. They got me by surprise. Gosh, freaking darn it, though. I almost won. I was 2nd place. Number 2. Well, number 2 is at least it's 1st place for losers. So sad. Hit that like button, and hit that comment button. Comment button. Yeah, there is a comment button. But hit it, share, subscribe. Put that little bell icon to be notified for all my videos. If you want me to, I'm depressed. I'm a depressed YouTuber. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you want me to be happy. Be happy in life. Anyways, back to the game and definitely not me. Sorry for my terrible performance. Don't worry, we're not playing the game yet. It was just like the lobby. So far, there's 45. 45. Okay. Out of 45. Choose where you want to be. Alright, the one with the lowest is probably here. Why not? Okay, health hack. That's the best thing you can start out. That is the best thing. Ah! Help! That is literally the best thing you can start out with. Especially if it's 2. Oh, I'm gonna join the fight. Yes. Ah! Whoa! Run. Like, I'm not even kidding. He's hacking! He's hacking! How? How? He was hacking! How? I know it's like a natural loss, but how? You saw he wasn't dying, I couldn't help out. That's probably like a server loss or something. Probably, because you saw how I couldn't kill him. Freak him! One time I hit someone in the head like 10 times with a sniper and they didn't die. And then I hit the freaking health up, but it didn't health up. I didn't want to. Gosh darn it. Shut up. I'm not a hardcore player. Not posting new videos with cool strategies. Check them out. I'm just not hardcore. No, there's cool strategies. They're terrible. And I'm probably gonna do maybe like another probably like another 3 minutes. Probably. The air is such an inconvenience. That's why I'm shooting and killing it. Ready? I'm gonna shoot right there. Like right there. Boom. Got it. You see that? That's gonna be my enemies when I'm through with them. Except with a lot more holes. Alright. 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 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Deployment successful. Ooh, large ammo. Not even medium. It's like large. It's not standard. And I just got some ammo. Okay, so there's probably like a bunch of people around me like right now. Okay. That's the best. No. Earlier I said that the health kit was the best thing you can start out with. But now I changed my mind, apparently. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can I get him from here? Okay, I should probably run. Because I don't know what I'm getting into. See, I told you I don't know what I'm getting into. Usually. Okay. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, I told you I was gonna know what I was getting into. Oh, but he doesn't know what he's getting into. He's gonna come over here from here. Run. He's the only way that he can get in is through these. Probably just do those. Oh, no!